Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best shock absorbers that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Monroe MA822 shock absorber. The first option on the list comes from a well-known brand in the automotive industry. Monroe's suspension solutions are trusted by consumers due to their high quality. Due to its 100+ years of experience, innovation can be seen in its product range. The Monroe MA822 shock absorber is a rear position unit. It is an air-charged shock absorber capable of bearing a maximum load of 1,200 pounds. The air chamber of this model is designed to contain compressed air up to 150 psi. This helps in adjusting the height of the shock absorber as per the required application. It uses a sintered iron piston paired with a hardened piston rod for better durability. The unit uses all-weather fluid to lubricate the moving part even in extreme temperature conditions. Moving on at number 4, we have Monroe Struts shock absorber. This manufacturer is one of the most respected brands in the commercial vehicle and automotive industry today. The company celebrated their 100th anniversary in 2016, providing quality shocks and struts for automobiles across a wide variety of makes and models. This brand is a globally recognized leader for its ability to offer a controlled ride with unparalleled consistency. Ideal for light trucks that tow or carry varying loads, Monroe load-adjusting shocks include a heavy-gauge calibrated spring that adjusts to road and weight conditions to provide extra control when operating conditions get more demanding. At number 3, we have KYB 554384 gas shock. Offering what they call world-class shocks and struts, this manufacturer began as Kayaba Research Center in Japan in 1919. They initially manufactured hydraulic dampers until growing into the world's largest supplier of aftermarket products in this category. This brand also provides products to today's leading automakers. The KYB gas adjust monotube shock absorber has additional performance advantages over the traditional twin-tube design. It can instantly, automatically adjust to your performance needs and never experiences fade due to aeration. The gas adjust is available as an OE monotube replacement and as an OE twin-tube performance upgrade. At number 2, we have Gabriel 43167 rear load carrier. As a leading aftermarket supplier of shock absorbers, you can find this product in most stores today. Their company began in 1900 when their founder created a new automotive horn. In just 7 years, the snubber began production, creating one of the world's first direct-acting shocks. Their independent attitude led to the invention of the first hydraulic shocks, the first adjustable ones, and position-sensitive technologies. You can always expect something on the cutting edge when you choose this brand. The front and rear spring assist by Gabriel combine shock and spring technology to reduce the loss of ride height in ongoing loaded conditions. And finally at number 1. DTA 70090X full set 2 front strut assemblies. This manufacturer might not have the same depth of product variety in their portfolio as their competition, but their shocks and struts will work on almost all vehicles built today, including those in Asia. Every DTA, Drive Tech America, product that comes from this producer is designed, engineered, and produced using the current best practices of the industry to ensure that ISO 9002 certification always occurs. Several buying groups represent this brand throughout the United States, so you may need to ask about these parts through your local store representative to see if they would work on your vehicle. DTA 70090X comes with a full set, 2 PCs of rear shocks and 2 PCs of front complete strut assemblies which are complete, ready to install replacement strut assemblies.